Hello friends, today at Pruitt's Truck Sales I'd like to show you this 2024 Ram 5500 heavy duty with 16-foot flatbed dump. The Ram is equipped with the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, 6-speed automatic transmission, has the Rugby electric dump system on it there. It's about a 120-inch cab to the center of the rear axle. But yeah, it's a 16-foot long by 8-foot wide bed. These sides and the gate back here are about 24 inches deep. Your inside measurements on your bed are going to be a couple inches shy of 16 feet and a couple inches shy of 8 feet on the width. You do have a tow trailer receiver. It's a all steel body. Has the cover. Yeah, the tarp roller tarp cover there. These sides can also fold down. You do have some toolbox storage here on this side as well as on the driver's side. Toolbox got a little dent, need a little straightening on this toolbox over here. You do have tie straps there for other material loaded capability. So your 5500 is a 19,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating. This unit, like I said, is a 2024 model. It's got 33,495 miles. It's about 1,272 engine hours. And let's see, has the push to start here. So there's your fob. Does have the speed control, tilt wheel, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, good gauge pack up here. And has the AM/FM stereo with some auxiliary USB ports here. Another USB port here in your console. You actually have 3 seat belts, so this console will come up. You have a 3rd seat belt there. And let's see. But yeah, we'll take a last look around the truck here. But cold AC. You are equipped with an exhaust brake. You are equipped with a trailer brake controller, factory Ram trailer brake. Or power plug there. But it's equipped with the rubber matting, vinyl seat packaging. This is your dump controller up and down there. DEF fluid reservoir. But yeah, if you think this 2024 Ram 5500 16-foot flatbed dump will work for you or your business, please contact us here at Pruitt's Truck Sales. You can visit our website at pruittstrucksales.com. If you like this video, let us know about it. Thank you very much and have a great day.